Hi and welcome to Scandinavian Nest. Today we're going to explore 3 beautiful summer houses located in different parts of Sweden. We'll take a closer look at their unique designs, stunning surroundings and the cozy atmosphere that make them perfect getaways for the summer or the winter. Stay tuned as we dive into each one of them. So we're starting with a charming holiday home on the island of Espholm in the Sankt Anna skärgård on Sweden's east coast. It's on an island and a boat slip is included in the purchase. The property is accessible by boat in about 5 minutes from the mainland. From the boat slip, it's a 5-minute walk along a lovely archipelago path through the beautiful landscape of the island. The tastefully renovated house features wide, beautiful wooden plank floors, old doors with elegant hardware, and a tasteful color scheme. The kitchen has a space for a small dining area and is equipped with a stove, sink, dishwasher, and fridge freezer. Additionally, there is an old wood stove. There is a bedroom, living room with a vaulted ceiling and a lovely old fireplace that works. I love this place. It's so wonderful to spend your summers on an island. I also love the old charm of the house. It feels very cozy. Our next property takes us a bit further up north in Sweden. It's a magical holiday home by the forest with close proximity to both alpine and cross-country skiing. The house has an open floor plan, large windows, and a peaceful location in the mountains of Jämtland. The house is surrounded by forest, allowing you to experience the authentic feeling of living in a wooden house with an atmosphere that transports you to another world. The fantastic turf roof gives the house a sense of a bygone era. Half of the house consists of a spacious living room and kitchen in an open plan, with a vaulted ceiling and generous windows that let in natural light and the beauty of the surrounding forest. In the living room, you'll find a large kitchen island, a dining area, and a cozy corner with windows on both sides. A large stone fireplace with a chimney becomes a natural gathering point for warmth and togetherness. So this house is very expensive and a bit too new for my taste, but I really love those windows. It feels like you're in the forest. So our next property takes us to the middle of Sweden. It's a house close to the Vasaloppet, the famous skiing contest. Have you heard of it? The house is well preserved and it features beautiful details such as deep wood panel doors, wooden floors and a lovely tiled stove. The surroundings offer stunning nature with lush forests and picturesque views, and you have access to the outdoors and fitness trails both in summer and winter. So this house is very simple. It certainly needs some renovation, and I don't think there's any running water, no toilet, and I also know that the stoves needs to be checked. Not sure they are working either, so there's a lot to do here. But I still think this house has its charm. So, which type of summer home do you like the best? Let me know. Also, thank you for all the nice comments on my previous videos. Feel free to let me know where you, the viewer, are located. Leave a comment. Thanks for watching.